first time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share this DIY project. I just recently went to a wedding, guys, and I've always wanted to make a wedding centerpiece. So with some thrift store finds, I was able to create this for you. I hope you enjoy. To start with, I picked up this beautiful candelabra from my local thrift store for just $2. Taking my favourite ultra colour spray paint in the colour bright gold, I gave it first of all 2 coats. While it was drying, I put together what I needed for this project. I picked up 7 bunches, guys, of these beautiful cream roses from Kmart Australia. Now they're only $5 a bunch and I knew they would be perfect. Once the candelabra was dry, it was now time to start decorating. Now what I'm going to do here, guys, is take 1 piece of floral foam, and all I'm doing is I'm pressing it down into the centre of the top candle holder. I then took some wire, and what I'm going to do is just cut small pieces and put 1 in each corner. I also put 1 in the centre. Now you're then going to take another piece of that floral foam, guys, and you're going to attach it on top of the wire. Now comes the absolute fun part, adding the roses. Now what I've done here, guys, is trim them quite small, and I've removed the leaves. Starting from the bottom, you're going to add them around each of the corners, and then you're going to make your way up. You're then going to continue to add the roses around and around until you've got a complete fullness.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no.
Don't forget to remove the leaves, as I preferred them without the leaves, guys. I felt like it stood out a lot more just seeing the roses. I did leave the little green pieces around the roses at the top, but I removed the leaves from the stem.
Back in the days I used to dream about one day, a life so amazing, not everyone judging me.
I absolutely adore making floral arrangements, guys. I truly enjoy doing DIY projects with these beautiful roses from Kmart.
Wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them
the desired fullness, I picked up these beautiful Christmas decorations from the reject shop. They're really inexpensive, guys, and I wanted to hang them off the candelabra. Now, it was really simple to do. I just placed one on each of the candle holders.
Inside I wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn.
And guys, I'm absolutely in love with this beautiful candelabra floral arrangement. I love how it can be a table centerpiece, it can be on your hallway table, you could decorate this anywhere, but most of all you could keep it in your home. Here is a variation of something that you would find at a wedding, but I love that I can incorporate it into my glam home, as you will be able to too. You know your girl Chelle loves to share ideas with you where you can decorate on a budget. Here is a prime example, guys, of taking something from the thrift store and some inexpensive roses, and you'll be able to create that look in your home for a very minimum budget.
Though it hurts so bad, I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open.
I absolutely love how I chose to use the thrift store candelabra, guys. Now you could definitely use a vase for this, but I love how unique this was, and it makes a statement where I can have it in my home all year round.
I wanna stay wide open.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. I do simple and inexpensive glam DIY projects, as well as room tours and inspirational ideas to decorate your home glam. So my channel just might be for you guys. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join Chelles Glam Home family.
The truth hurts, and you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before. You closed the door. Now I don't know what to say. I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know.
Don't forget that you can also follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Chelles Glam Home too, where I post daily inspiration of decorating my home glam.
Baby, you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before. You closed the door. Now I don't know what to say. I expect you to leave.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own wedding centerpiece. forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.